Fall is only a few days away, which means it's time to get your home in shape for cooler weather. Here are some tips to help get that to-do list done.
All right, today's homeowner host Danny Lipford and Chelsea Lipford Wolf are here with some of the best tips and tools to prepare your home. So this way we can get our honey-do list all ready. Thanks, guys.
Hey, glad to be with you.
All right, weatherization. I like keeping your gutters clean. There's so much to do. I don't know where to start. Can you tell us where we might begin?
Well, I'll tell you where we started on this particular project that we taped for a recent episode of our television show. We had a very blah-looking patio here that really needed some help. The homeowners jumped in and got involved with us on the process of a 2 or 3 day process. First thing we did is we wanted to clean it up real well. Then we put pavers around the border that enhanced it a good bit and enlarged the size a bit. A little bit of rotten wood repair, and then we were able to do some painting, and we finished it all off with a beautiful translucent concrete stain. Now we have a very attractive, inviting type area, and the homeowners can't wait for it to cool off just a little bit so they can start using this outdoor space.
Now, is that a stain that I'm going to have to reapply every couple of years, Danny, or is that a permanent?
Well, actually, we put the stain on, and then we put a clear sealer on top of it to really lock it in. So maybe putting some more of the clear sealer on in a couple years is all that's necessary to maintain it.
You know, here in New England, we face really, really harsh weather, and sometimes it comes as early as October. What's your recommendation for those of us living in this part of the country that we need to get a jump on now?
Well, one thing that you're going to be dealing with, and it's never on their favorite chore list, and that's raking leaves. But my daughter Chelsea has found a way to make it just a little bit easier to keep those leaves out of your yard.
Yeah, your leaves are probably a little prettier in New England than we have down here, but to get the job done quickly, you need this rake from Ames. It's dual tine, so it has 2 tines, and you're able to, 2 layers of tines rather, and you don't have to worry about them getting clogged, so you're able to rake a lot faster and get the job done and enjoy the weather. You can see how clean it rakes, and then it also has a built-in little miniature rake that you're able to rake around your shrubs and just keep your flower beds tidy all fall long, and then it clips right back into place. Now, leaves here aren't going to cause any damage to your house, but leaves can cause damage if you leave them in your gutter. Dad has a solution for that.
And I've seen thousands of dollars worth of damage occur on houses all the time because gutters weren't clean. This is what you need. It's like an oversized pipe cleaner, and it's called a gutter brush. And it's not made to clean your gutters, it's made to keep you from having to clean them. And the homeowners here also wanted to be involved in the installation of it because it's so easy, didn't require any tools. Basically just slipped right in the gutter, you slide it on down. That's all that's necessary so that the leaves will blow right over it. Made right here in the USA. It's a great way to keep from having to maintain all those gutters around your house.
And that's not going to clog the water up, right?
Exactly. The water will go right through it, but the leaves and that kind of thing will just shed right off the top of it. You'll still have to maybe look at it once a year, but that's a lot better than what you have to do right now without a gutter brush.
Right.
So
oh my gosh, why did they not think of that sooner? It's a gutter brush, and where do we get it?
Well, it's very easy to get online, gutterbrush.com. And another thing, though, you know, you guys do get some cold weather, and to prepare your home for some of the, real cold temperatures ahead, it's really simple. Seal the envelope of your home, keep that cold air from pushing to the inside, and one area that's very vulnerable, and that is your windows.
Yeah, if you live in an older home, you have single pane windows, then you want to get Duck Brand's Max Window Kit. What that is, it comes with everything you need. It's double stick tape you put around your windows, then you attach the plastic that comes with it, you shrink it with a hair dryer, and it makes it nearly invisible, so it doesn't look like you have plastic on your windows. But don't forget about drafts under exterior doors as well. You get their double draft seal, and you cut it to size with scissors, so no special tools, and you slide it on your door, and it stays nice and snug and keeps that draft out all winter long. Keeps your house a lot warmer.
There you go.
I gotta ask, can we go back to the rake for a second? Because somebody told me that I should always get a bamboo rake, but you used plastic there, which I think is interesting. Is that the way to go? Is there a difference between one or the other?
Well, I mean, I've seen the bamboo rakes, but they still are designed like a traditional rake, where this one has the double tines, so you have kind of twice the grabbing ability, if you will, while you're raking. Because when you're raking, you got big leaves, little leaves, you got straw, a little bit of everything. With the double tines, we found that it really does a much better job in not only not getting clogged, but really making it a much easier thing. Like Chelsea said, it's 26 inches wide. You can make the project go a lot quicker by using that.
And this one has a rubber coated handle, so it's just comfortable no matter how you're holding the rake.
And it's got little ones for the little kids. You can hand it to your kid and say, help.
Where do I get that one again?
I love that.
Where was that one from again?
It's from the brand is Ames. It's available right now at the Home Depot.
Okay, terrific.
All right, very cool. All right, we can tackle all the millions of pine needles that fall all over the place.
You can come over and rake leaves at my house.
Get to work.
Thank you, guys. We so appreciate your help with us today.
Hey, always great to be with you guys.
Happy fall. Happy fall.
For more information on home improvements, including what we talked about here today, you can head to Danny's website. It's today'shomeowner.com.